Good morning, my dear children. Once again, welcome to the online English grammar classes. My dear children, in our today's class, we will continue our topic adjective and we will solve some book exercise. My dear children, we have already understood adjectives very clearly with the help of many examples in our last videos. Let us continue today's class and solve some book exercise. Children, we learned about adjectives, that an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, Jane is a clever girl. Here, clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. We have learned that adjective is also known as describing nouns. Describing words or adjectives tell us more about nouns. An adjective is usually placed before a noun. See, for example, he has 2 pencils. Here, pencils is a noun and 2 is an adjective, and it is placed before noun, that is pencils. Number 2, I love to eat sweet mangoes. Again, mangoes here is noun and sweet is an adjective. It is describing about the taste of mangoes, and it has placed before mangoes, that is a noun. Third example, she has a wooden pencil box. So wooden is an adjective and it is placed before a noun, that is pencil box. Fourth, this is a big big ball. Again, big is an adjective here and it is placed before a noun, ball. So adjective is a describing word which always describes about noun and it is placed before noun. See, now let us continue doing our book exercise. Look at the pictures and read the following sentences. A bus is fast, a train is faster than a bus, an aeroplane is the fastest of the 3. Children, here 3 forms of fast is given: fast, faster and fastest. Bus runs fast, train run more faster than a bus, and aeroplane moves more fastest of the 3. Now let us solve some exercise. Question number E. Look at the pictures, now make the other forms. We have to solve this question. We have to change the form. It's like a bear is a big animal, so we have to change the form big into bigger and biggest. See, a camel is dash than the bear, so camel is bigger than the bear. An elephant is the biggest of the 3. So we have changed big into 3 forms, that is big, bigger and biggest. The cat is a small animal. So next one, the rat is dash than the cat. So smaller than the cat. The rat is smaller than the cat. The ant is the smallest of the 3. So 3 forms of small is small, smaller and smallest. Next question F. Now fill in the other forms. Similarly, we have to solve this question also. We have to change the forms of these words given in the question. First one, tall, taller, tallest. Second one, short, shorter and shortest. Third one, large, larger, largest. Fourth one, old, older, oldest. Fifth, big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. So these are the forms of these words which we have changed now. Let us move to the next question. Question number G. Read the passage below. Children, a small passage is given here in this question. We have to read this passage and then you have to answer these questions in a word or two words. So let us read the passage here. A little boy was walking on the road. He was a poor boy. He was very hungry. An old man was selling big ripe mangoes on a small cart. The boy looked at the lovely mangoes. A kind man bought some mangoes and gave one to the boy. The boy ate the tasty mango. So children, what is given in the passage? That a little boy was walking on the road. He was very poor and he was hungry too. Then he saw an old man who was selling big ripe mangoes on a small cart. And the boy looked at the mangoes as he was very hungry. Then a kind man bought some mangoes and gave one mango to that boy. And the boy ate that tasty mango. Now let us solve these questions. The first one, who was walking on the road? Yes, who was walking on the road? A little boy. So write the answer, a little boy. Then, who was selling mangoes? An old man. An old man was selling mangoes. So answer will be an old man. How were the mangoes? Yes, the mangoes were big and ripe. Mangoes were big and ripe. Big and ripe. Who gave the boy a mango? Yes, who gave the boy a mango? A kind man. A kind man bought some mangoes and gave one mango to that boy. So answer will be a kind man. Then last question. What did the boy do? The boy ate the mango. Ate the mango. So these are the answer of these questions. Who was walking on the road? A little boy. Question number 2. Who was selling mangoes? An old man. Third one. How were the mangoes? Big and ripe. Fourth question. Who gave the boy a mango? A kind man. Number 5 question. What did the boy do? Ate the mango. Now let us move to the question number H. Read the passage. Read the following sentences. Again, one passage is some sentences are given here in this question, and similarly you have to solve this question here. Let us read these sentences. Mala has a round face. Her eyes are brown. Her nose is short. She has thin lips. Her teeth are white. Her hair is curly. Mala is indeed very pretty. So children, this is the description of Mala's face, teeth and her hair, and she is very pretty girl. Similarly, you have to describe about your face. This is homework for you and you have to solve this in your grammar book. See what you have to write. You have to describe your face. I have a dash face. My eyes are dash. My nose is dash. I have dash. My teeth are, if your teeth are yellow, you will write yellow. No, your teeth are white, isn't it? So you will write my teeth are white. My hair is dash. I am dash. If you are smart boy, you will write I am smart boy. If you are pretty girl, you will write I am a pretty girl. Okay, so this is the end of your book exercise. One homework is there for you. You have to do this homework in your English copy. So what you have to do, see the question, describing words, adjectives. Fill in the blanks with adjectives that are opposite in meanings to the adjectives that are colored. So here in this question, colored words is adjective and you have to write the opposite of these words. See first question, the mouse is small but the elephant is dash. So here you have to write the opposite of small. It is in color red color, so you have to write the opposite of this word. Number 2, Mr. Roy is strong but Mrs. Roy is dash. So what is the opposite of strong? Weak. So you will write Mr. Roy is strong but Mrs. Roy is weak. This is your homework. You have to do it yourself. Number 3, Reena is short but Tina is dash. Fourth one, these sums are easy but those ones are dash. Fifth one, the butterfly is beautiful but the cockroach is dash. Sixth one, Sita is thin but Simran is dash. Seventh one, hair is black but the tooth is dash. Eighth one, tea is hot but juice is dash. So you have to write the opposite of this red colored words. Okay. Next question. Complete the following sentences by choosing the correct describing word. So here children, nouns are given and in this bracket adjective words are given. Here you have to choose the correct adjective word and you have to fill here in this blank spaces. First one, the peacock is dash. Beautiful or ugly? You have to choose the correct word and fill in the blanks here. Number 2, a balloon is heavy or light? Write the correct word. Number 3, the hare is slow or swift. Fourth one, the tortoise is swift or slow. Fifth one, the moon is hot or cold. Sixth one, the lemon is sour or sweet. Seventh one, an S is clever or foolish. Eighth one, the lion is strong or weak. So children, this is your homework which you have to do in your English copy. I hope you have understood very clearly adjectives and we will continue our video with new topic in our next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.